Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This Velar features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Zadar Grey. Let's proceed from the front of this Velar as we see the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. And as we cascade down the side of this Velar, you'll see black contrasting features complementary of the black exterior pack as it sits on these 20-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you'll notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, along with the LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate will reveal a versatile amount of boot space, and you will also notice your electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure will intrigue those equestrian or caravan enthusiasts out there. As we venture to the rear, the ebony perforated grain leather seats are ready for any length of journey, and the Meridian surround sound system will accompany you at all times. A quick glimpse in the cockpit will show you your 14-way heated driver memory front seats, which you'll be impressed with by the styling and quality that characterises this Land Rover in general. Taking a closer look at the view that greets the driver, you will see your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel. You'll notice it features a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. You'll also notice your fully digital display, which can be tailored to the driver's individual preferences. As we now move over to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your rear parking camera, which will ensure parking this Velar is like second nature. Within your touchscreen you will also be able to access your climate control and heated seat systems, which both driver and passenger can change to their individual preference. To finalise our journey, we now look up to find easy to access controls for your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross passengers and enhance this vehicle's features in sunlight. This has been a presentation of the Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed it.